Tonight, new details in the crash that killed a 52-year-old state road worker this fall just south of Billings.
Prosecutors now allege the driver of the flatbed truck who struck and killed the Billings man had been huffing canned air prior to the crash.
28-year-old Ethan Anderson is now charged with felony vehicular homicide and criminal endangerment following the October 24th crash that killed a Billings husband and father.
Court documents state authorities found a can of compressed air in Anderson's truck. Now, that product contains difluoroethane, a substance often used to get high. Anderson was driving his work flatbed truck when he drove through a construction project at the South Billings Boulevard exit off Interstate 90. 52-year-old Jeff Dykeman was working the area at the time of the crash for the Department of Transportation. He was struck and pinned by the flatbed truck and died at the scene.
Prosecutors say a blood test found Anderson was severely impaired after ingesting or inhaling the canned air. Anderson told police he blacked out and could not remember the crash. His bond is set at $100,000.